how to use TikTok. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can use TikTok. So if you are a beginner, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the TikTok app from your phone. Okay, so after opening the TikTok, the main screen is your homepage. Like you can scroll down and find the multiple videos on the TikTok. So on the other hand, you will find the options like following just at the top middle of your screen. So simply on this following section, you will be able to see your videos of your following. So now on the other hand, you will see the options like search just at the top right corner of your screen. So this is the option for searching the videos by their name or hashtags. So simply you can search it from there. Like I will search here for Ronaldo, and the videos related to Ronaldo can be seen from here. So now for the video posting, you will have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can click a photo or make a reel from here. So you can simply add a sound from here, and you can add the multiple sounds from here for your videos. So simply you can make videos and post that video on your profile. So talking to this inbox option, you will be able to see your all inbox list from this option. So likewise, I have no any inboxes from here. Like when I post a video or any content, so if any likes or comments are raised on that video, the inbox will be appear like someone commented on your video, or you can see the messages that are sent from your friend on this inbox section. So that's all. This is the quick short tutorial about the TikTok. So if any queries are arised for the TikTok app, so let me know them in the comment section below. Hope this video was helpful to you if you are beginners. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.